Hi everyone! Let's have an effective week ahead with some helpful tips you might have missed that help you design a project more efficiently in ActivePresenter. 1. Zoom fit. You are editing, but the panes overlay your canvas like this, making you unable to view the full canvas. This is such unproductive editing behavior. So, what we do is click the View tab and choose the Zoom Fit button. In this way, no matter how you resize the panes, the canvas will auto-fit and resize itself accordingly. 2. Canvas snapping. The second tip: pay attention to canvas snapping in the View tab and our canvas here. Normally, when you place objects on the canvas, there will be no guidelines to help you define and estimate the positions. So, in turn, take Smart Guides. Now when you move any object on the canvas, there are orange guides like this, called Smart Guides. This helps you align the moving object following a fixed object on the canvas or following the canvas itself. Now, tick Guides. Immediately, you will see a horizontal guide and a vertical guide appear on the canvas. This mainly helps you align the object following the canvas. Finally, tick Grid Lines. Now, you will see your canvas is divided into boxes. This detailed division helps you align numerous objects and estimate the distance between them more wisely and more intuitively. Without these lines, it's really hard to guarantee the visual and alignment of your design. 3. Pane Show or Hide. So pay attention to Pane in the View tab. In my workspace, the Timeline pane, Properties pane, and Slides pane are turned on. When I click to turn them off, the gray color disappears. You can freely open more panes like Resources or Selection and close your unnecessary ones. The Object States pane will be added to the right of the canvas, allowing you to add more states of an object. Watch the full video at the top right corner to know how to work with this pane. 4. Slide Size. To check the slide size of your project, go to the Design tab, choose Slide Size. Here, you have various options of slide sizes or customize them as you wish. Especially pay attention to this if later you export your project to a video. If you just need an HD video, choose the 720p HD option. To get the full HD quality video, choose the 1080p Full HD option. That's it! Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel to not miss part 2 and other helpful content and tutorials.